go, baby. Blue sky maze. Fireworks time. Yeah. Hell yeah. What's up, puppy? How's he doing with fireworks? He doing okay? Oh, he's an old timer. He seems like he likes it though. Alright, baby. Let's go. There. Oh, shit. They're lighting it up. Let's get it. Oh, well, do the deeper plan, but you know. I want to get down there shooting the stuff off though, everybody. You hear me? Like, kidding. We're shooting straight mortars. Yeah. You try holding the camera. Quit being a selfie. That's enough on this. This feels like the most American spot on the planet. Yeah. They just thought. My tile's over. It ain't over yet. What are you thinking? There's much more to shoot off. Hell yeah, brother. Ah, dang corner. You good? That's some howlers. Thing's howling. Sounds like ghosts, don't it? We got some ghost town fireworks. That sounds so cool though. They even had sound effects. That's straight tile. Somebody's gonna have no voice in the morning. Yeah! Yeah, I'll be hyped on this shit. Fucking right. You guys enjoy the show and I'll be back. Seems like somebody got impatient. Seems like they got a little impatient. They just want to be done. Show me state, baby! Golden Globe on the building, fireworks. You can't be more American than that. Come on.
Blue Sky Maze, right?
Yeah. And this will be on there.
Okay.
And what's your name? I'll mention you on my channel.
Mimi.
Alright. Shout out to Mimi. Her and her family. God bless you guys. They saved my parking spot. They're a real one. They care. Yo, you just missed this. I'm in line and someone just thought it was faster to cut over this way. People are hilarious around here. Hey, you want me to put on a chip? Hold on. Too soon. I'm just gonna let you guys listen, watch this entertaining mix-up. Look at this car. Sorry if I had you guys sideways. We're all a little sideways, right? Jeez, I gotta turn the AC on this bitch. But if anybody knows how I am, windows down, AC on, because I want it all. And let's face it, who doesn't want it all, right? We all want it all. If you say you don't, you're a damn liar. Oh, look at these guys. Okay, you have no idea how hard it is to be coordinated with the cell phone. Yes, I don't have fingers. fancy equipment. I got a cell phone. But I'm still making it happen. And y'all gonna have to take me out to knock me off. I promise you that. Because this channel's going to my niece and nephews. Love you, sis and the boys, if you're watching this. And any other family that's watching this, I love you guys too. Oh, that's music. I thought I heard someone yelling. What the crap? What the hell is Helente? I think that's what, you know, Paul so hard or Paul so soft. I don't know what he's called nowadays. See that? Guy hot 2 on that. What you know about Allison Cooper? I mean Allison Chains. Good old music while in, I guess, honk honk traffic. There, I moved. Yep, there they are. Just piled up, right? Alright, so I'm sorry guys. I'm still figuring out this whole video. Fucking go! Dumb fuck! Fucking go! You fucking serious? Drive this shit! Fucking go! Get the fuck on! Fucking go! Like, what the fuck you want me to do? Damn! Stay uphill, everybody's honking horn at me when there's cars in front of me. What the fuck? What do they want me to do? I can't, like, really? So if y'all think I was exaggerating about traffic, yeah, look around. It's pretty in the thick of it. So this car thinks they're gonna keep me from getting out. Nope. Bet you appreciate your car more than I do. Mine's already fucked up. I'm gonna be right on them the whole way out. Watch. Yeah, now I'm out there. That's how you do it. That's how it's done, everybody. Just like that. Blow out your ass, bitches. Fuck your life, motherfucker. Okay, so just gotta do this one more time, right? Nothing to it. You know, same thing I did before, right? Gotta get out there and yeah. Make it happen. There was a spot. Looks like somebody did some scrapage. Scrapey scrape. Hope I don't scrape.